In this video, I'd like to show you how to solve this integral. Now, it's not that hard, but it looks aesthetically like really beautiful, like this pyramid. I didn't draw it perfectly, but it's supposed to be like in the thumbnail, like this pyramid. And at first, it seems confusing, like what is going on here, this pyramid of a and axis. But in fact, what we'll do here is that we need a simple substitution here. T would be e to the power of e to the power of e. So we have here 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, so 4, 5, right? And the only thing that we really need here in order to solve this integral is to know that whenever we have e to the power of x, then the derivative of this is going to be, so it's the same e to the power of f of x and times the derivative, right? So now if we were to compute what is dt, then when we differentiate this, so dt is going to be all this expression that we have over here. So it's gonna be, of course, the derivative of that, which is, so let's write it like this. So the derivative of this is e to the power of this, e to the power of e to the power of e to the power of e, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the power of x, right? This is the derivative, and we need to multiply it by the derivative of e to the power of e to the power of e to the power of e, 1, 2, 3, I think 4, right? The derivative of that. But what is the derivative of that? The derivative of that is this times the derivative of what's in here. And so we have this cascade. So it's e to the power of e to the power of e. And here we have 3 times to the power of x. And now we need to take the derivative of that. And the derivative of that is e to the power of e to the power of x. And then we need to take the derivative of so it's this times the derivative of that. But the derivative of that is e to the power of x. And this is dx, right? So this is just the integral of dt. So it turns out to be just this t plus constant. But t is this. So it's actually e to the power of v to the power of v to the power of v, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the power of v of x, and plus a constant. So I really hope it was fun. It was a bit amusing, not particularly hard, but the aesthetic beauty of the pyramid, I saw this on Reddit. Somebody asked this question, and I decided to make a video about it. So thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing.